What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt. So I put out a tweet a while back asking what you guys would like to see. One of you, I can't remember who it was, but I'll put it up on the screen somewhere, requested an iFixit kit. Well, iFixit came across that tweet and said, we can help with that. So I gotta give a shout out to Kelsey, who actually sent that message. So Kelsey sent me two kits. One is the Essential Electronics Toolkit, and the other is the Pro Tech Toolkit. I don't know what came first, if the toolkits came first or the channel did, but if you're one of those type of people that like to do it yourself, definitely go check out their YouTube channel. But they make these awesome toolkits that are made for DIY stuff. This one, I believe, is geared more toward phone breakdowns. I believe this one has a lot of the same things that this does, but way more. This is the Pro Kit. So let's bust open the Essential Electronics Kit first. There we go. Oh, cool. Oh, it's a box within a box. We got a boxception going on. All right. Okay, cool. So here's the actual box. Now you can see that there's magnets on the bottom, and I'll get to that in a second because that's a really cool feature. I believe you just pop it. Oh, whoops. Okay, so in this kit, you can see you've got tons of stuff. Now, in the kit, you've got the magnetized driver handle. It feels pretty decent. It's got a nice thick rubber on it. This is made of plastic, nothing too special. You've got some angled precision tweezers, super sharp. They're very sharp. They feel very well made, and they have a little protective sheath for it for storage. This is either the Jimmy or the Spudger. Oh, it's got holes, so you go like this. So if you want to take it out, you just pop it up, comes out. This is the Spudger, I think, and this is the Jimmy. Say you're trying to take a phone apart, you get the screen, you're gonna wedge that in between the screen and the frame of the phone itself, and then you use this to kind of pry up in there. Oh, this is the Spudger. I was totally wrong. So basically, it's made out of plastic. It's got a real fine tip. And then it's got kind of like a flathead screwdriver sort of thing. I wouldn't use it for that because that's not what it's for. And then you've got this, and I believe this is to like get a hold of stuff that has an edge that you're trying to like pry or lift, or maybe even use that to move over cables. And then it comes with an actual suction handle. Again, you're trying to remove a screen, you stick that on there and you're lifting it up, and that's got some suction to it. And then you've got 6 opening picks. Now, while you're taking like a screen off, you would wedge these into it until it finally pried up the entire thing. And then you've got all these different bits. It goes all the way down on 000. You got pentalobes, flatheads, torque security, tri-point, and your SIM eject, like a little SIM key, but instead you've got it on as a bit, so that's really cool. What makes the case really cool by itself, first of all, you'll notice it has this pattern in here. Well, this is for actually keeping your screws nice and organized while you're working. The other thing is because there's magnets on the bottom, you can actually use that. You can actually use it like this just to keep it out of the way. I'm really digging that. So for anybody out there who's looking to do any kind of repairs for their phones, this is gonna be your basic little kit that you'd probably want to start off with. Now for the Protec Toolkit. Oh, I'm excited for this one. This one has all kinds of stuff. It's like a case, or it is a case. It's not like a case, it is a case. Okay, cool. So it's got the iFixit logo, very nice nylon. Oh my goodness, I already feel like a professional. You know what, just real quick, something that I just noticed that I think is very important. Right here on the bottom, it says, this tool is designed to break before your device does. If you're using this the right way, you're not gonna break your screen, you're gonna break this, which I'd rather break that than the screen. Okay, so, geez, where do I start? If you're a professional, you really wanna get serious with your repair kit, this is where you go. We've got our grounding device. Now, for those who don't know, when you're dealing with electronics, especially computers or phones, which really are computers, you wanna ground yourself. If you don't, you could build up static electricity and fry your technology. So what you'd do is you'd wear this, and then you'd clip this to something that's grounded. Okay, so then we have a suction cup in this one. So it looks like the Pro Kit comes with all the stuff that the smaller one does, but with much more. Then we've got the spacers again. Oh, what is this? Oh, that is so cool. They're like a reverse needle nose, right? So you squeeze it and it opens and then you let go. So if you need to hold on to something, like very tiny screws, which that's very common. Yeah, this would be really handy. And they're plastic, so that way it doesn't scratch anything. That feels very professional. And then you've got your curved needle nose tweezers again. Oh, you got another set of tweezers. Now these ones have a grip on it, so that way you can actually like grab stuff. You got a spudger. just like in the other one. So you got another spudger. It's kind of looks like a scalpel. This will definitely help you pry up anything. Then you got a hook on this end. Oh wow, that's serious. So if you want to get a little more serious with your spudger game, you're gonna switch over to this bad boy. This is all metal. And then you got another one of these, and I can't remember. I don't know what this one is called. I really don't. This one is called a thing. It's a Jimmy, maybe? I don't know. I think it's a Jimmy. I think it's a Jimmy. Anyway. Oh, it's a magnetic plate. The back is magnetic. This whole thing has a magnetic plate on the back. If you're doing stuff, you can just throw it on here and at least it'll stay right there. Very cool. Let's see what's in this one. Holy cow. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now here you can see you've got everything you'd possibly want out of a little screwdriver kit. So this, oh yeah, this is definitely better. The Essential Kit is primarily made out of plastic. This one is all metal. And I believe it's also magnetic, so that's really nice. That is really cool. And this is something that I wish I would have had when I was building my PC. If you want to know about the PC that I'm talking about, click right here and you can go check it out. Maybe you got a very tight area you need to get into. You can bend it and you can just sit there and you'll turn. See that? Isn't that cool? That comes in super handy. Also, this one has the spaces as well. So again, throwing your little parts and pieces in here will keep it nice and organized. Now, okay, so just for fun, I'm gonna put that on there. You guys can pause it so you can actually look at the list. And when you're done, you can just throw it all in there like this, roll it up. You could do some on-the-job stuff with this. This feels so professional. That's cool. These are really, really cool. The iFixit toolkits are above what I thought they would be, especially the Pro Toolkit. If you're out looking for one, I highly suggest checking out iFixit. I will leave a link down below to their YouTube channel and to their website where you can find all their different kits. Definitely go check them out. iFixit, you guys are definitely putting out some really good stuff. I'm pretty impressed. I'm liking it. Okay guys, so that is it. Again, check out the links down below. But as for now, get out of here.